Many of us share a common dream, a quiet yearning for something more than the daily grind. We envision a life where our time is truly our own, where financial anxieties don't dictate our choices. The allure of financial freedom is powerful, isn't it? It's the ability to wake up without an alarm clock, to pursue hobbies, travel, or simply spend more quality time with loved ones. This deep-seated desire often clashes with the perceived reality that achieving such freedom requires immense capital, years of relentless hustle in conventional paths, or a stroke of extraordinary luck. But what if there was a more accessible route, one that leverages your inherent ambition without demanding your soul in return every single day? It's time to explore how you can build your own empire, one digital brick at a time, without succumbing to the exhaustion of the conventional workforce. Imagine a business model where you create something once and it continues to generate income for you day after day, without requiring you to actively trade hours for money in the same old way. This is the core concept behind a digital product business. Digital products are intangible goods delivered and consumed electronically, offering a unique pathway for ambitious individuals who want to work smarter, not just harder, to achieve their financial goals and lifestyle aspirations. One of the most liberating aspects of building a digital product empire is that you don't necessarily need extensive technical skills or a massive pre-existing audience to get started. The internet has democratized creation and distribution, meaning your unique idea has a global stage waiting, accessible with determination and a willingness to learn a few straightforward processes. What exactly are these magical digital products? The variety is vast and exciting. Think of informative ebooks on niche topics, comprehensive online courses teaching valuable skills, beautifully designed printable planners that help people organize their lives, or even digital art and stock photography. The key is to create something that solves a problem, provides entertainment, or offers a shortcut to a desired outcome for a specific group of people, transforming your knowledge or passion into a sellable format. This lean operational model means higher profit margins and a business that can genuinely run on autopilot once established. The first step in building your digital empire is choosing a niche, that specific area or topic your products will focus on. Ideally, your niche should sit at the intersection of your passion or genuine interest, a problem you can solve for others, and a market that is willing to pay for that solution. Once you have a niche, it's time to brainstorm product ideas. Start simple. Perhaps an insightful ebook, a short video course, a set of printable checklists, or a template pack. Tools like Canva offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces for creating visually appealing graphics and documents. And for content generation, especially for text-based products, artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT can be incredibly helpful for outlining, drafting, and even refining your ideas. Consider the value proposition of your product. What transformation will it provide? How will it make someone's life easier, better, or more enjoyable? Focus on delivering tangible benefits and clear outcomes, and your product will naturally attract customers who are actively seeking those solutions. Remember, your first product doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be helpful. The key is to get started, to put something out there. Section 4. Proof of Possibility. The Inspiring Journey of Sarah Titus. Sometimes, the best way to believe something is possible is to see someone else achieve it. Let's talk about Sarah Titus. She's a fantastic real-life example of someone who has built a significant income stream, reportedly earning millions, primarily through selling digital products, specifically printable planners and organizational tools. Her story is particularly inspiring because she started from a place many can relate to, seeking a way to support her family while being present for her children. Sarah identified a common problem. People, especially busy moms, struggle with organization and productivity. Her products are practical, aesthetically pleasing, and most importantly, they offer genuine solutions. Her success demonstrates that you don't need to invent something entirely new. You can find immense success by improving upon existing ideas or catering to a niche audience with specific, well-designed solutions. Her journey should serve as a powerful motivator, illustrating that the dream of financial freedom through digital entrepreneurship is not just a far-fetched fantasy but a tangible reality. Section 5. Your digital headquarters. Why a store domain matters. Once you have a digital product or even a solid idea for one, you need a place to sell it. This is where your own website, your digital storefront, becomes essential. When setting up your online presence, Your domain name is one of the first and most important decisions you'll make. For a business focused on selling, whether digital or physical goods, a domain extension is an incredibly powerful choice. It immediately communicates to visitors what your website is about. It's a place to shop, a place to buy. Choosing a domain offers several advantages beyond just clarity. It can help you stand out in a crowded online marketplace where traditional domains for desirable names might already be taken or be prohibitively expensive. Setting up your website can be done using user-friendly platforms like Shopify, Gumroad, Sendowl, or even WordPress with e-commerce plugins like WooCommerce. When customers see, there's no ambiguity. They know they've arrived at a place where they can purchase your valuable digital offerings. Section 6. Getting seen, marketing your digital goods to the world. Creating an amazing digital product and setting up a beautiful website are crucial first steps, but your efforts won't translate into sales unless people know your offerings exist. Marketing is the bridge between your product and your potential customers. The key is to find the channels where your target customers spend their time and deliver valuable content that naturally leads them to your products. Content marketing is a cornerstone of digital product promotion. This could take the form of blog posts related to your niche, helpful tutorials, engaging social media updates, or insightful email newsletters. Building an email list is arguably one of the most valuable marketing activities you can undertake. Offer a compelling freebie, a short ebook, a checklist, a template, often called a lead magnet, in exchange for email addresses. Then nurture your subscribers with regular valuable content, gradually introducing them to your paid digital products. The beauty of digital products is that once your marketing funnel is optimized, it can become a largely automated system for generating sales. Section 7. Embracing the journey, challenges, triumphs, and your digital future. Embarking on the path of building a digital empire, even with the lazy but ambitious mindset, will inevitably come with its share of challenges. You might experience moments of self-doubt, often called imposter syndrome, wondering if your products are good enough or if anyone will actually buy them. Growth might be slower than you initially hoped, and you'll likely encounter technical hurdles or marketing strategies that don't pan out as expected. These are normal parts of any entrepreneurial journey. The key is to view these obstacles not as stop signs, but as learning opportunities that refine your approach and strengthen your resolve. Focus on delivering quality and serving your audience, and the financial rewards will follow as a natural consequence of the positive impact you're making. One of the most exciting aspects of a digital product business is its potential for generating passive income. This model allows you to decouple your time from your income, which is the very essence of the financial freedom so many of us seek. Your digital future is waiting to be created.